In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Workspace account in just about 5 minutes. So if you're looking to boost your productivity with Google's collaboration and productivity tools, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to navigate to Google Workspace. You can do this by going directly to the Google Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll see an inviting option to start a free trial. Click on Start Free Trial. It's a fantastic way to get acquainted with what Google Workspace has to offer without upfront commitment. Next up, it's time to tailor the experience to your business. This means typing in your business name when prompted. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, the name you input here is how Google will identify your business across its Workspace platform, so choose wisely. Following that, you'll need to choose the number of employees in your business. This is important for Google to understand the scale at which you'll be using their services. Whether you're a sole proprietor or a growing business with multiple employees, Google Workspace has solutions tailored for different sizes. Once you've selected the number of employees, simply click Next to proceed. The setup process is designed to be seamless, guiding you through each step smoothly. Now we move on to some personal details. You'll be asked to fill in your first and last name and your current email address. These pieces of information are crucial for Google to establish your account's primary contact details, so make sure you enter this information accurately. After your personal details are out of the way, you'll have an important decision to make regarding your domain. For a more professional appearance, Google Workspace encourages the use of a custom domain. So click on Get a New Custom Domain if you don't already own one. If you do have a domain, Google makes it easy to integrate it with their services. Choosing your domain is a pivotal moment. You can either continue with an existing domain if you have one, or opt to buy a new one through Google. This decision will affect your business's online identity, so take a moment to consider your options carefully. Finally, after you have sorted out your domain situation, proceed through the next steps as directed by Google Workspace's setup guide. These steps are designed to finalize your account setup and tailor your Google Workspace experience to best fit your business needs. And there you have it. By following these steps diligently, you should have a fully functional Google Workspace account in no longer than 5 minutes. Remember, taking advantage of Google Workspace's trial period is a fantastic opportunity to explore how its suite of tools can enhance your business operations without immediate investment. Thank you for watching this tutorial. By now, you should be well on your way to enjoying the vast benefits of Google Workspace. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.